Hello friends, today we are going to see a infinity problem which is word manipulation. So in this problem, we'll read the statement first. Consider a string, the group the similar character in combinations, then concatenate first element and last element alternatively. For instance, considering string hello world. So we have got basically a string hello world as an input. Combinations of similar characters will be D, E, H, L, L, O, O, R, W. So here we are provided with a list where all the similar characters in case in here D, E, okay, H. So basically these words are occurred only once in this string. Now how about LL? So LL is occurred thrice, which we see it has occurred in uppercase once and twice in lower cases. Uppercase one is here, the lowercase one is here, and this one is also lowercase. So we have got the total L character combination in this string, total O character combination in here, R is alone and W is alone. So basically you can see this list is a sorted list. Okay, so this will be our task 1 to get a sorted list with the characters combined to each other. The final output will be DWERHOOLLL. So we get this idea in our next part of our uh, what we call is problem statement. They have said that after this making a list, concatenate the first element and the last element alternatively. Okay, so we concatenate the first element D, the last element W, again this element E, again the last element R, again this H, again this O. Okay, so we'll take all the combination in the list of and this L L L. So now you can see that we have got the desired output. So first let's learn the logic. So I think in this it has auto corrected this, but the input will be this. My bad. So in here we have got this input. Okay. So my first task is to get a sorted list like this one. So what I am going to do is I'll just first of all sort this string. Okay, so I'll use a set function so that I get only one character from this string. By converting this string into uppercase, I'll get only one character. Then I'll sort. So I will get something like this: D, E, H, L, O, R, and W. In my, uh, I think it will be a list only because we are using sorted. Sorted converts the string directly into list. After this, I am getting DEHLORW. I will be running a loop in this string, in the input string, where I'll check this character is equal to this character. If it is in this character, I'll make a new string and append it there, and this string will be appended directly into the new list I have created. Okay, like D. So when it comes to O, so if O, it will run in this loop, check if this is O, append it in a string. While running loop, it will again check this O, input it in a string, this is the bigger O, and this string will be input in the list of this, which I have created this list. I think it's been messy in here. And again, we have to concatenate the first element and the last element. I will concatenate this comes here, this comes here, again the last element, again the first element, again the last element, and finally this will be our element. So this is the problem where you have to find two solutions, first to do the task 1 and other one to do task 2. So we'll directly move up to coding part. So I'll just come out of the PPT presentation and move towards the PyCharm IDE. So I have directly took the input in here, which is hello world. I've commented it so we can use it later. So we'll just first of all we'll take a string as an input. After I get this string hello world, I'm just going to make a list which will be sorted and uppercase. So we will be doing this. I'll just say upper string list. Okay, now I will set, so I get only the unique elements and I'll sort the list. Okay, so now you can see how it will be printed. Okay, so as we discussed, I've got the uppercase string in here. So I'm just now going to run a loop for I in range. Okay. We are going to consider the length of this use string in here. And we are every time we'll make a new string to take the combinations of the string. So every time we take a new word, if it happens with D, again we'll just take E and make this string empty again. I'm down here, I'm also going to make a new for loop for J in string, I think, yes. Now we'll check if use string, of course it will be I, which will be 0 1 2, equals to j dot upper. Okay, so you'll understand why I did this, because everything in use string is uppercase. So if it is upper, while running in the for loop, we will append new string plus equals j, and after this loop stops running, we will going we are going to make a new result. Okay, I think result is okay. Result as a list and append it in there. Okay, I think we have not defined new string, and okay, we have defined new string, but we have not defined result. Now it will be appended in result. So we'll now check if this happens correctly or not. Okay, it should be new string. We have not given any output, and we have also not got error, which is good. Okay, so you can see how we've got a DEHLLORW as we discussed in here, DEHLLOORW. So now we'll understand how we'll complete the task 2. Okay guys, so uh, if we see this intuitively, what we can do is just do this, like run a while loop in there, check if list is empty or not, and we have to do two conditions. First is take this element, make a new string. Of course we'll make a new string, I'll call it f empty string. In while loop is if length of this list is not empty, we'll append d, take first element, append d. Now the list will be this. Again we'll check whether the list is empty or not. If not, we'll take the last element, append it in here, add it in here. Now the list will be this. Check list is empty or not, take the first element, give it in here. Again check list is in empty or not, give it in here. So this is how we are going to plan how it works. So I'll just escape back to PyCharm, and as we have got the result for task 2, we'll make new while loop. While, so we are going to use here boolean. As you know, if this list we have provided in boolean is empty, it will give false. So as my result is true, I want this loop to be running. Okay, so we'll check now if the list is empty or not. Okay, I want a string 2 which is empty string. Now final would be first element of result always while running the loop, and I'm going to then remove the first element of the result. So I can also do like this, result is equal to result, which is slicing. Yeah, it's intuitive way, but it would work. Again, I will check if the length of result is 0 or not. Now I have to add the last element in final. So I'll just again get the last element, and now I can use pop as it pops out the last, and I think it should work. And finally we are going to print final. Okay, so I hope I wrote it correct. I'll just copy this input again, run the code. Okay, it's good. So we'll paste it in here, enter, and you can see we have got our desired output DWERHOOLL. So I think thank you for now. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.